everyone, and welcome to my driveway. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to properly use vehicle surface ramps. Let's start by finding a nice flat surface to set your ramps on. Next, sweep the area to remove any loose debris that could potentially cause the ramps to shift when being driven on. Now grab the ramps and slide them onto the center of your wheels until they touch the tire treads. Before driving on the ramps, make sure they are parallel with the wheels. Using a slow and steady pace, move your car up the ramps until you feel the wheels hit the flat section at the top of each ramp. If possible, it's always nice having a spotter directing you on the way up. Once the car is safely positioned on the ramps, engage the parking brake and choke the back wheels to eliminate any chance of your vehicle moving. With the Mustang off the ground, I'll have plenty of room underneath to access the drain plug and filter for my oil change. To lower your car down the ramps, we'll start by removing the wheel chocks and disengaging the parking brake. Now that the vehicle is free, apply a small amount of gas to get moving and let the car roll down the ramps while controlling your descent with the brake pedal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.